Purchase dashboard pertains to purchasing by the retail chains. It provides information across brands on purchases, stocks, out-of-stock days and sales volume. The two-column charts at the top and middle pertain to the purchases, opening stock, sales and closing stock for the brand Cassandra at Ineos. You will notice that the purchase volume, 32.6, plus opening stock, 5.6, shown on the first chart is equal to the sales volume, 29.8, plus closing stock, 8.4, in the next chart. The chart at the right reveals the stock-out days for brands in the chain. Details provided in the table at the bottom of this dashboard are required by retailers for making purchasing decisions. Manufacturers too need this information so that they can produce adequate quantities to cater to retailer purchases. Note that for Q2, Ineos purchased 29.5 thousand units of Cassandra and sold 29.6 thousand units. The closing stock of 0.1 thousand in Q1 is the opening stock for Q2. The purchased quantity and the opening stock was entirely sold out, leaving no closing stock in Q2. Importantly too, the chain experienced 4 days of stockouts. Since each quarter is a little over 90 days, the chain was out of stock for about 4.4% of the time. One may conclude that Ineos lost the opportunity to sell more Cassandra because it did not purchase adequate quantities. The information on sales trend, closing stock and the stockout days suggests that Ineos should be purchasing more units in the next quarter because the demand in Q2 was higher than what was available for sale. Moreover, to minimize the likelihood of a stockout, the chain should be maintaining adequate stock levels. Depending on the shopper's loyalty to the brand, persistent stockouts could compel shoppers to switch stores. This will impair the retailer's performance, not only for the brand and the category, but also for the other categories stocked by the retailer. Maintaining too much excess stock is also detrimental. In part because inventory holding cost is 2%. Importantly for perishables, stocks need to be cleared before they expire.